As you can see, the lonely robin scavenges throughout the wintertime to make sure that his meal is kept in abundance, along with his mate. In the middle of the ghetto, these two are hungry and looking for a meal. You best believe that they'll find that meal within all the trash, within all the ghetto mesmerization. They'll find that meal. The robin species is an abundant species, a species that carries out a tremendous commercialization among America's situations. Paired together, the two can take on any obstacle, including eagles, including marins, including commoners, including crows. These two live in Gary, Indiana, and you best believe they get it in.